Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by opening the product page in Shopify admin so you can remove it cleanly. First, sign in with an account that has delete permissions, otherwise you'll hit a permissions block. Once signed in, go to All Products and use the search box to find the item by title, SKU, or barcode. Make sure to review variants and inventory counts so you don't accidentally orphan stock or break published collections. Now you'll unlink the product from the storefront and systems that reference it. First, unpublish from sales channels or switch the product to draft so customers stop seeing it immediately. Then delete unnecessary variants or merge them if applicable. Clear inventory quantities and pending fulfillments to avoid reconciliation errors. Also remove the product from manual and automated collections, navigation menus, and any active discounts. This prevents 404s or cart issues once finish by clicking Delete Product at the bottom of the product page and confirm the modal prompt. This action removes the product and its variants. Once deleted, search all products and inspect affected collections and menus to verify the item is gone and no broken links remain. If deletion fails, make sure apps aren't preventing removal and confirm your account permissions. If an app holds references, disable that integration or content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.